Hi guys, good evening. Today's video I want to talk about preparation for event Disgaea in Disgaea RPG Mobile. So basically I got thanks to the website called Genki Online. So they have all the past data event and it's quite detailed and they tell everything about what is the level and what to do and what is the bonus character. But in Japan compared to global, maybe will be different. So I cannot guarantee it will be 100% same. But to give the idea what you should do for free to play or you buying things, so you know what's going on and you know what to do. So let's start the things. So in this info that I make together, I will put the link on the description, and all the top one is the latest one. So we will start from below. So basically in this Gaia event we have last one and now the second one. And then in Japan we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 8 even faster than us. So that means they are 4 months earlier than us. So we are 4 months less compared to them. So now the event is the Rice Cake event, the New Year one. And then tomorrow is the Green Hero here. And then the Lahar female. And then the others. So this is the so going up is going the new. You will see all in the event there. So this is what we got for earlier. It's quite similar actually. The first one, the Holy Knight. The only different, we don't have the Bunny Challenge and the Mao. And this is the second one for the event. We can, if you see here, the first one and second one, you can bring Neil Loyal as well. And then the new one is called the X Snow. So you can bring Snow to the next one. And then the next one is Curtis. Actually you can bring Curtis to the next one, the female hero. And then the next one is the female hero called Rainier. The female hero you can bring to the next one. So the Rainier also you can bring to the next one. And then the next one. So basically all of this you can bring one hero for each of them. You can have a look by yourself. You can have a look. But the different things that you need to realize that up to before before the 2, 3 the last event, you can still bring like for example like this one still have Rosalind. This one still have Etna, the one free you can get if you play from day one, the Etna and the Dark Etna. And they still have Almas. But the latest one you won't get anything. You will just go for the new have to gacha. So if you are free to play, before you spending upgrading the event hero, you need to consider that all the hero will be, the event hero can be used on the next one. And remember in this Gaia you can bring multiple character as well. So it's possible that you bring all 3 event hero. And the event hero right now in VR, the level max is over 1000. But actually I got the new one. This is the new one. Oh sorry. So basically this is the same. This is a new one that I make. I forget. I'm sorry. So this is the new one. So you can have a look at the Holy Knight color we have, the Macaroni Snow we have, and then this is the new event. And then as I said earlier, you have the strategy as well, and keep the event like going up slowly. And then this is the one that I want to show you. So in the event like now we have the level, the last battle, you need the last rice cake battle, you need level 1050, right? But if you look up the story, the next event, the next one, the last level is for the hard one is still the same, 1050. But if you look up in Japan, the last event that Japan have, the past event, that not the new one, the past one. Because like now Japan have a different event, the two new event, but I didn't put it here because not yet finished that event. And the level, the character, you need at least more than 1250. So you need a higher level to, like for example 1500 to beat the event easily. So if you, and then they're also called the recollect area. I'm not sure for this one because I said earlier in other video that my story not yet finished and I haven't do anything, so I'm not sure. So if you guys are asking me for what should I do, like from the past event. So basically when you do the quest, you will see the ice cake. You see this one. Nah, you can bring Fubuki and Noel. They call eggs in Japan. So if you put, for example, I'll give you one example. If you put this is hard one, put the last battle, put a full max 4,000, and change the party. Just change the Adele. Just change the Adele to another Noel. Where's my Noel? This one. So I bring to Noel, right? Yes, I bring to Noel. So basically I bring to Noel here. You can bring all Noel, so it doesn't matter. That's why earlier I said don't fuse all of them, just fuse one or two. If you don't have anything, just bring three past event and then two new event, or two new event, three past event. Up to you, depending how you want to play, for free to play. So when we start, have a Noel. See it earlier faster. Bring to Noel. Equipment also affects the run. When your character got killed, don't worry, you should get max point anyway. So don't have to worry about getting killed. And all your character who killed also get experience, so don't worry. So see, still have max experience, no max point. So this is, and then if you're asking me how can I get highest level, yeah, you need to do this one, the experience. If you told me that the event character is weak, we cannot do anything, it's very hard and not so strong. When you start the game, if you get Alahar or get everything, just go up the S or double S character. For example, like this Lahar S character, he's very strong attacker, like the first skill, self damage deal skill plus 45%, so hit with skill harder and on the stats give you 30% extra. If you compare to Noel, it's only give you 10% for the second one, enhance. So you have to know which one you have to get. So if you think it's hard to get because the level not so good, just get the equipment. If you don't have anything like this one, this is a legend from shop rank or lower rank, and still have full because you can put more innocent inside, so can buff your extra. For example, like this one. When you give you like attack 2.5 in 2%, rest 2%, just imagine that all attack. When you got the legendary equipment, you can go up to 10 slot to put innocent. So you will get a lot of attacks. So just imagine like you can bring 4 equipment, like this one, I show you. For example, this one. 4 equipment, imagine that every one of them is 20% attack. So you can get up to 80% more attack. It will change a big different attack for doing the quest. So anyway, if you mess up the first 2 weeks, don't worry, just get high level as much as you can, and then the next you will keep the playing. And if you asking me where do you get the pot in the Genki online, they told us to get this every day, 250 for 10 pot. This is the cheapest way to get to do the quest. So anyway, when you redeem the quest, when you free to play, remember to get the Prini as well. So once you pick one character to get max and E, and you need to I think my background sound too, so I'm sorry if it mess up. So you need to put Prini to upgrade the character, which one you want to put max. So when that character max, like for example this one, one of my friend list, I think, it will give you huge difference. For example, I will show you. Cannot hear. For example, this one. When you see the Neo 1, the attack is depending on the equipment, so 23,000. But when you see Neo 7, the level 2000, different level on 5 times. But the attack is almost 1 million, 8,100. So this one for anyone, almost the attack is 1 million, level 2,600. But compared with this one, 7, almost the same. So that's a big difference. So basically, I hope this helped everyone. So just prepare for yourself for the event. I will put all the description below. If you have any question, maybe I can answer. I will try to answer. If you have anything can help me to improve, thank you so much. Please subscribe me and put a like and subscribe me for more info as well. Thank you so much and goodbye. Good night. See you next time. Bye bye.